Everyone, my name is Tejasvi Jadhav and today's date is 13 August 2021 and our today's video topic is string. So in this video we see the definition of the string and the types of create the string and the methods of the string. So we first know about the what is meant by the string. So basically string means was. String is a object and string it stores the sequence of character in double quote. Like it stores the character like in double inverted comma. It stores we take example ABC. That's where string is created. So by creating a string there are two method. First one is string literal and second one is by using the new keyword. These two methods of creating a string. So first one we see the various methods of the string. So every object has various methods, so string includes the various of the methods. So we see one by one each method. So first one our method is caret method. So caret method what will we do? The caret method when we use it gives the element of that specific index. Then next one is our code point at method. So code point at method is give the ASCII value of that character. Then next one is uppercase method. So uppercase method, as the name suggests, uppercase means it converts all character into the uppercase, same as with the lowercase method. So lowercase method, in the lowercase method it converts the all the character in a lowercase. Then next one is a length method. So length method is give the length of the given string. And another next one is method is to-char array. So to-char array method what will be do? It converts the string into character array, means it give output at the array form. So in a string there are multiple of method. So next one is start with method. So start with method, as the name suggests, start with means it checks the starting or initializing starting point starting string of the given string. We take example of start with method. So in a start with method we take one of the example. If we create a string s1 help shine and we create a string s2 help, so it will work like we use as a s1 start with s2, so it will gives output true. If we use like we use as at the hip we use work, so it will check hip shine is same as the work, so there is change, so it will gives output false. Then ends with method. So in a ends with methods it's change the ending character or ending string of the given string. So we take example of the ends with method. So if we take another string like Pune, then we create another string s2 is equal to like help shine, so it will check the both of the ending point are same or not. Is there we take two various of the string, so it will gives output false. So as the start with method and ends with method, it's is a boolean form. Its output is either either false or either true. So the next one is code point add, then compare to method what will be do? It's check the if there is difference occurred, then it gives the subtraction of that string. Then replace method. So we take example of replace method. So if we use the Pune string and P is replaced by K, so in output we get Kune. So next one is reverse. So multiple of the methods can be used in a string. So next one, our main topic of the string is that string is immutable. So what is meant by immutable? So the meaning of the word of immutable means it not change. So immutable means what is not changeable. We can't change in that method or that object. So we take there are creating a string, there are two types by using the string literal, and the next one is by using the new keyword. So first one we see about the string literal. So if we there are first we know about the memory organization of the string. So in a Java there are heap memory. In that heap memory, the special purpose memory for a string that we call the string constant pool, that mainly it is only made for the string. So in a string constant pool we also stores our reference variable or data. So in that the heap include our string constant pool. So first one we see the string constant pool. So what is mean by first we know about the string by using the string literal. So in a string literal what will be happen if we how to create first we know about the how to create a string literal by using this string literal. So we create string like a string s1 is equal to abc. So it by this is the declaration or this is the syntax of string literal. So string s1 is our reference variable and abc our string, and first we write the string. So abc is stored in a string constant pool. So abc is not stored in a string constant pool, it allocate at the a variable. With the a variable it stores our data abc. So a variable it stores our data abc. If we create another string like a string s2 is equal to xyz. So s2 also reference variable store the xyz in a string constant pool. So if we want to concat our s1, so we write s1 concat with xyz. So in output we get the xyz. So in first one we use abc. How we can't get the abc? Because our next one object of s1 is located to the xyz. So we get the output like xyz. That's why string is immutable. It gives the opportunity to the latest or last one using the occurrence. So string is immutable because it gives the it do not lose scope of the our string. So we get output like xyz. So we can't change in that abc. So if we this is about the string literal. So next in a string literal mainly what will be happen, string literal always store the data in a string constant pool, and always data store at the store in a reference variable, and there is no change in our string. If we change in our string, then our data will be changed. First one data will be removed. That's about the string literal. The next one creating a string by using the new keyword. So by using the new keyword it stores in a heap memory. So we see the syntax of the string literal. We create a string literal like a string s1 is equal to new string, then we write our string. That's why we create the string using the new keyword. In a string using the new keyword it stores in a heap memory. We if we create a string like string a is equal to new string abc. So a is a reference variable, it's allocate the abc in a heap memory. If we create another a is equal to like XYZ. So our first one data of ABC is remove, and it's take output like XYZ. So our first one string S1 is totally remove, and we get the data like XYZ. So string is literal means what? It's not changeable, means string is not changing the data. So this is all about the string. So in this video we see the definition of the string, the methods of the string, and the why string is immutable, and the string literal, and by using the new keyword. So this is all about the string. Thank you.